this was something which was going on in my mind for quite some time now, but I was just not able to do it. So today I gave myself this task that from here on I am kickstarting this weekly stress management and mindfulness for kids session. Hi Didi. So yeah, a big shout out to all the moms and the dads and whoever are here. Thank you so much for being here. And yes, a big high five to all the kids also if they're joining in here. If you're here, for moms who have kids less than 5 years of age, it's time also for you to get mindful. Yeah, and mindfulness doesn't mean it's not a high task demanded out of yourself. It is just that you start behaving in a manner which is based on mindfulness, which the kid will inculcate. Yeah, so it's time for you to learn so that the kid watches you and does the same thing. Okay, for the rest of the people, okay, I think fair amount of people have joined in. So what are we here for? We're talking about stress management and mindfulness for kids. Okay, so when I talk about stress management, I would because we have parents who have younger kids as well, so I'll be doing a very quick, an exercise with the kids. It will be like a play which we'll be doing. All of you can do it because I've been doing it with my kid who is 5.5-year-old, to a teenager who is 13-year-old, to other kids as well, and to a 55-year-old person as well. So it works across. It's a beautiful thing to do. But before that, all the kids, what you need to do, ध्यान से सुनो आप, अगर बच्चे बैठे हैं तो, the question to you is, how do you know that you're angry or you're sad? Okay, and there's a difference, huh? Angry जब आप होते हो, घर पे खेल रहे होते हैं, मामा बोलती है नहीं अभी नहीं, अभी बहुत हो गया. फिर आप बोलते हो नहीं अभी सोने का मन नहीं हो रहा है, मामा सेज नहीं अभी तो टाइम हो गया सोने का. There would be times when you would be feeling angry, आपको गुस्सा आता है. How does your body tell you that you're angry? Okay, आपको कैसे पता लगता है कि अभी मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है? Talk to your mom, tell your mom the answer, let your mom type it in the comment box or your dad type it in the comment box. How do you know that your child is angry? I'm sweating, feels like crying, shouting, beautiful, because I scream. Now he's listening, okay. Sweating, feels like crying, shouting, okay. Okay, my son feels sad. Now here. Lovely Miraya, wonderful. I'm so happy that you know what you're feeling exactly when you're angry. And this is the first thing that we're going to talk about. Most of the times, not just kids, but we also as adults, we just feel हमको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Now, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है is a very blanket statement. When you say अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, you don't know what you need to do. Okay? What we are trying to do through mindfulness is to get you into tune with what you're feeling. Yeah, because when you know and you understand the difference कि मम्मा मुझे angry लग रहा है, मुझे sad नहीं लग रहा. Now this one is something which is making me upset, but मैं angry नहीं हूँ. So you're able to segregate आपको क्या लग रहा है ना? जब आपको पता लगता है कि आपको क्या लग रहा है, you are in a much better position to tackle it. Beautiful, cry, scream, wow, lovely. So these are the physical signs that our body gives out when it is under stress. Okay, and anger is also one of the parts of it. Raise the voice, bangs door, wonderful. Now, hang in here. Now, Sara, bachche log, and I'm addressing everyone as kids. Of course, we have grown-ups as well here, and of course, kids who are grown-up as well. But all of you are kids, I mean. It's okay. So now I would like to understand from you when you become angry. Now, if you ask my perspective, getting angry not a problem at all. Anger is an emotion. Anger is not something which is bad. Definitely not bad. But what you do out of that anger is something that affects your body. अभी क्या होता है जब आपको बहुत गुस्सा आता है, like mama is saying, you bang the door or you scream or you shout, जो भी आप करते हो. What is happening to your body then? जब आप bang करते हो door, दरवाज़ा टूट सकता है. When you scream, your vocal cords are under stress. Okay, when you scream, mama gets equally irritated. Okay, and number of other things happen. Now getting angry is not a problem. Getting angry perfectly fine. A big thumbs up from me especially कि आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, गुस्सा आना चाहिए. What you do in that गुस्सा is something which is important, because जब आप गुस्सा होते हो ना बेटा, so what is happening to your body? You've heard that story of Grinch who stole the Christmas? If not, I highly recommend that book to all the moms, Dr. Seuss. And Grinch was a sad man. He was always angry. What happens when you're angry? When you're angry, no, आपका जो heart होता है ना, your heart pumps blood and energy to your body. Okay? So that you're up and alive, और आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है और आप बहुत energy feel करते हो. But when you're angry, your this heart, no, it goes very chota. And when it goes chota, no, it is not able to pump energy and blood. And then what happens? You become sad. You become like a chota sa bachcha. Okay, we don't want that to happen. So when you're angry, we'll do a very simple thing here. Okay, everyone can do it. And you know how does a balloon work? Balloon में क्या होता है? Balloon में जब हम हवा भरते हैं तो balloon कैसा बड़ा होता जाता है. It expands. That's the way a balloon behaves, right? Similarly, our body is like a balloon. Okay? When you inhale, जब आप सांस लेते हो तो आपके अंदर जब हवा भरती है तो आप बड़े होते जाते हो बलून की तरह. ओके, एंड व्हाट हैपेंस जब बलून में से हवा निकलती है? इट गोज. ओके, सो वी आर डिफ्लेटिंग द बलून. जब आपकी सांस बाहर आती है, जब आप सांस छोड़ते हो, व्हेन यू एक्सेल, योर बॉडी गोज. ओके, व्हेन यू एक्सपैंड यू बिकम बिग, व्हेन यू go down you become small and you feel relaxed. Okay, so what we're going to do here, all of us, is will become a balloon. That will be like a fun thing to do. All of you, moms, dads, dada, dadi, nana, nani, everyone who's there, everyone who's sitting there, all of us will do balloon breathing. We'll all become a balloon and we'll all shrink and go push. Okay, I'll show it to you how to do it. Okay, when you inhale, मतलब जब आप सांस ले रहे हो आपके अंदर हवा भर रही है. So imagine yourself to be a balloon and go and expand yourself as much as you can. Okay, open yourself up. Okay, and stay there for some time. फिर exhale, हवा छोड़ते हुए go and hug yourself and get as small as you can. बिल्कुल छोटा सा, will collapse. Sorry. Yeah. We'll do it 5 times. All you kids and everyone who's watching it, chalo, we'll start. Do it with eyes closed if you can. Chota bacha, you're free to do whatever. Okay, become a balloon and let the air come in and out of the balloon. Go expand. Inhale. Exhale and shrink and get small. Once again, inhale and get big. Exhale and get small. Exhale out. Relax. 3 more times on your own. Give me a thumbs up when you're done so that I know. Lovely. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so the kids out there and the moms and everyone who's sitting there, if you can share it with me from the kids, if they have done it, how does it make them feel? And mention the exact words that they speak. Okay. Anyone here who has gotten a different response from the kid? Maybe a specific one? they might, for smaller kids they might be vocalizing it energetic, beautiful, lovely, lovely. So you know, K feels happy, lovely. Yeah, so you know that is what we are trying to do. Relax, beautiful, Mitu, beautiful. So yeah, so that is what we're trying to do when you are breathing in active. So these are, you know, the words that we're using to describe what we are feeling. When you are able to describe blow away worries, beautiful, Abha, lovely. So when you are able to feels good, Mishka, lovely, Mishka, very nice. So when you're able to, you know, label what you're feeling exactly, you're much more in control और आपको पता लगता है क्या हो रहा है. So बच्चा लोग, the next time when you get angry, all thumbs up from me at least. I mean, I'll be telling your mama, गुस्सा हो रहे होने दो. गुस्सा होना is not a problem. But when you get angry, take some time out. The first thing that you do is sit here with yourself, become like a balloon, become big, and then grow small. Do it 5 times. After that, show your anger to your mama or dada or whoever. Talk to them about it. Tell them that, you know what, I was feeling angry because of ABC. जो भी लग रहा है आप बता पाओगे. Okay, because you will be knowing कि क्या हो रहा है. That will help you and help mama, of course. Mama will also be able to understand it better, no? जब आप ऐसे बताओगे. Otherwise, mama doesn't understand. No one understands when you feel cranky, when you bang the door, or when you shout. It's like, what has happened to her or him? Okay. Next time, when you feel angry, take this time out. Balloon breathing. Become a balloon 5 times. Grow big. Become small. All of you moms out there, you can also try this. You can also, you must try this. All of you. There are 2 benefits to it. A, when you're expanding like a balloon, you are opening up your lungs horizontally. That opens up your lungs completely. It's a deep belly diaphragmatic breathing that you're doing, which is an excellent thing to do in the times that we are in right now. So we'll move forward with the bigger kids and of course with everyone else who is here. So we're going to talk about stress. बहुत सुना है ना ये वर्ड, स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, बहुत स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, स्ट्रेस ही स्ट्रेस है. Now, what does stress exactly mean? Do you really think stress is such a bad thing? What do you think? It's a good thing or a bad thing? Put it in the comment box. Is stress good or bad? Stress is one of the stimulus which we get. तो stress कैसा होता है? When there is stress, you act. I'm not saying the way we look at stress is in a very negative light कि stress हो रहा है तो बहुत खराब है. Stress in itself is not bad. How you respond to that stress is something which defines कि वो बुरा है कि अच्छा है. Stress है and stress can come into, you know, multiple forms. There might be many triggers to stress. Like one of the biggest triggers that we are talking on about right now is the uncertainty that we see outside. कोविड है, हमको पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, वी आर नॉट वेल इक्विप्ड. व्हेन यू डोंट नो योर ओपोनेंट वेल, दैट इज व्हेन यू फील स्ट्रेस, बिकॉज आपको पता ही नहीं है कि व्हाट स्ट्रैटेजी यू नीड टू अप्लाई, यू डोंट नो. दैट क्रिएट्स स्ट्रेस. स्ट्रेस कीप्स योर माइंड एक्टिव. ब्यूटिफुल, दैट्स यू स्ट्रेस. अब वंडरफुल, यस, दैट्स व्हाट स्ट्रेस इज. You stress and distress. Now I'm not going into the details right now. All I'm telling you is stress in itself is not bad. How you respond to it makes it good or bad. Okay, now give me some examples. What can stress do? What can stress do to you? And how do you what do you do under stress? Maybe some people perform better, maybe some people perform bad, maybe some people start sweating. If you can just write in the comment box. क्लासेस हमारी ऑनलाइन शिफ्ट हो गई है, राइट? वी आर एट होम, नीचे खेलने नहीं जा सकते हैं, क्लासेस ऑनलाइन शिफ्ट हो गई है. नाउ सम ऑफ यू किड्स हु आर एल्डर, you might also be having online exams. Okay, now online exam is something which is very new to the whole scheme of things. हमको नहीं पता ऑनलाइन एग्जाम क्या होगा. ओके, सो इन माई सेशंस आई हियर कि आंटी ऑनलाइन एग्जाम है तो पता नहीं, अभी क्लास में होता है तब तो टीचर होती है वहाँ पे, क्लास में होती है तो टीचर होती है वहाँ पे, देन आई एम राइटिंग एंड द टीचर इज वॉचिंग हियर, तो हम घर पे कर रहे हैं. व्हाट इफ द अदर किड्स आर चीटिंग एंड द टीचर डजंट कम टू नो? व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट आई विल गेट? व्हाट इफ इंटरनेट कनेक्शन इजंट गुड? ओके, all these are what ifs. Okay, these are not real things that are happening. These are all what ifs, जो कि होगा तो क्या होगा, and your mind is thinking about it कि जब ऑनलाइन क्लास होगा तो ऐसा होगा, फिर आप नहीं कर पाओगे तो क्या होगा, तो क्या होगा, तो क्या होगा. Understand, you're creating a story in your mind which is not real and which is not in the present. Okay, what does that do? That stresses you out, and that stresses you out for something which is not here. So that's worry. The second stress, the situation remains the same. Online exam है, सब है, and you think कि या online exam है, I have not done it before, पता नहीं क्या है, it's a challenge, but let's see what happens. Okay, I'll do my best. What are you doing here? The situation remains the same, the trigger remains the same, the online exam is the same. एक जगह पे you're building a story in your head and thinking ये होगा तो वो होगा, and then what if? Now what if is something which is based on the future worries. It is not rooted in the present. There the stress turns into distress and your body goes for a toss. फिर आपको गुस्सा आता है, फिर आपको sad होता है, फिर आपको चिक होता है, फिर मम्मा और चिल्लाती है, and then blow. Okay? Now same thing, same situation, the stresses are the same, the trigger remains the same, but what you say is, oh okay, online exam hai, I don't know how to deal with it, but I think looks like a challenge, let's see, something new I'll learn. What happens then? You're suddenly shifting your stress to good stress, and you'll understand what happens to your body. The language that you use and the words that you speak, they create a mental state. Okay, and you operate out of that mental state. Okay, so I'll you know what I'll do, I'll very simplify all of this. We'll do a quick exercise where it's a breathing exercise. So for the next 5 to 7 minutes I would expect all the kids and everyone who's here to be here and completely here. Okay, and when I say completely here, it means that no distractions. You can put your phone on mute, you can be at a place where you can sit and be with your breath. Okay, just be with my instructions and we'll see what happens when you breathe normally and what happens when you get angry or you get happy and how does your body respond to it. Okay, we'll just understand. We're not going to judge. मतलब ये हम बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे. बच्चा लोग especially don't ever say that I am not good or I am an angry person. No, you're not. You're not what you're feeling. It's just a feeling. It comes, it goes, it can change. You are what you are right now and in this moment. ठीक है? You're such cute बढ़िया बच्चास. Okay? So all of us, what we'll do is sit in any comfortable posture, in an open posture. Okay? Open posture means that there are times when we sit shoulders dropped and hands crossed or kept like this. No, not that way. Open yourself up completely. Palms open. Sit with eyes closed. Adjust yourself into the posture. Keep your eyes closed. Bring your attention to your breath here. Breath moving by itself. Focus on any one point where you feel your breath to maximum. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, moving down your throat to your chest and to your belly, creating a sense of expansion like a balloon which is inflated. As you exhale, feel the same balloon getting back smaller and smaller, your tummy getting smaller. Feel the air moving out from your body through your nostrils. The the warm air. Be with this flow for a few breaths. When you inhale, feel your body getting bigger. When you exhale, feel it getting smaller. Bring your attention to your heart here and be with the rhythm of your heart. See how your heart is going up, down, up, down. Just take a note of it. Think of a moment, maybe in the last week, where you were angry at something. Think of that thing and see what happens to your body as you closely relive that time. What's happening to your heart? And what happens to your belly? Now with the next exhalation, when you become smaller, bring your attention back to your breath. You can feel the air moving through your nose and entering your body, filling up your body like a balloon. And as you exhale, the balloon again is getting smaller. Now once again, focus on your heart. Think of something which made you very happy. Something that brought lot of happiness inside you. Think of that moment or event. And see what's happening to your heart now. Take a deep inhalation in here and a long exhalation out. You can open your eyes. How was it? If any one of you wants to share, did you notice any difference between? We did three things. We did normal breathing, we did breathing and noticing our physiological changes when we were angry. Third was when we were happy. तीनों स्टेज में कुछ डिफरेंस था क्या? कुछ बॉडी में अलग 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 हो रहा था कि तीनों में सेम था? All answers are correct here. Okay? So you write whatever you want. कुछ गलत नहीं है, कुछ सही नहीं. If you want to share. Have any questions, any queries or any concerns or any suggestions, please do write it to me. Chalo, I'll be signing off from here. Feel free to reach out to me. Bye guys. Bye. Have a beautiful Sunday and a rocking week ahead. All you bachas, final high five. Okay, enjoy.